Morning students, hope you are doing good and enjoying your online classes. This is Taranum Parveen and I'll be teaching you computer for this academic year. So without any delay, let's start today's class. Start with lesson number 1, how a computer works. This is a very easy lesson, only you have to focus on two things, that is data and information, and the second one is input process output cycle. Children, input process output cycle you have already read in class 2. So you have some idea about it. But data and information is new for you. So listen to me carefully and try to understand it. Children, we'll start with learning what is data. I'm writing some words here like years, Suresh, 8. Children, are you getting any meaning out of these words and numbers? What's the meaning of years, Suresh, 8, 3b? They have no meaning by themselves. They are just words and numbers. They are just words and numbers. So, we can conclude that the numbers and the words that have no meaning by themselves are called data. The numbers and words that have no meaning by themselves are called data. Now we'll learn what is information. Data, when organized, tell us something. In the above activity, it answers question like what, how old, which class. What is the boy's name? Suresh. How old is the boy? 8 years. Yes or no? 8 years. Which class he is in? He is in 3B. So, what data tells us, that is called information. In short, we can say that data that has been processed to give its meaning is information. Data which organized in such a way it gives meaning, that is called information. I will give you a simple example to understand the difference between what is data and information. Here I have given a jumbled sentence for you all to solve, and I am sure that you all will be able to solve it. What is the answer? Yes. She is my best friend Rima. Yes. This is the answer of this question. So, here we can conclude that what we give in a computer is called data. And what the computer processes for us and gives out, that is information. So, we know that data doesn't have any meaning by themselves, whereas information gives us meaning. We will head towards our next topic, that is input process output cycle. Children, I am sure that in this summer you must be drinking lots of water and juices to keep your body hydrated. I will be sharing a simple recipe to make mango shake. To make mango shake, we need mango pulp, milk, sugar. That is our input. Then what we have to do? We have to grind it well. That becomes our process. After that, we get mango shake. That is our output. Computer also follow these simple steps. The data which we give inside the computer is called input. Computer then process it and give information as output. Understood? Children, do you know input process output cycle is also known as IPO cycle in short. This much for today. We'll meet in the next class. Bye. Have a nice day.